Raiwind is a town in Pakistan resting in Punjab, a land of 5 rivers known for its fertile soil and rich history. Lahore, a big ancient city, is not far away, adding a touch of urban vibrancy to the region. Raiwind sits quietly, yet it is full of life, with a story of growth and change that reflects the spirit of its people. Once Raiwind was a small village with green fields stretching as far as the eye could see, a testament to its agricultural roots. Farmers worked the land under the wide sky, their lives tied to the seasons, each harvest marking the passage of time. Children played in the dusty lanes, and the air was clean, filled with the sounds of nature, a symphony of rural life. But time does not stand still. Raiwind began to change. Slowly at first, then faster, as the winds of progress blew through. It grew bigger, more people came, and new houses were built, transforming the landscape. Shops opened along the roads, and the quiet village started to hum with new energy, a blend of old and new. Now, Raiwind is a bustling urban area, still growing and reaching outwards, embracing its future. It has not forgotten its farming roots. You can still see fields nearby, a reminder of its heritage. But it also looks to the future, with new roads, schools and colleges paving the way for the next generation. It is a town of contrasts, where old traditions live alongside modern aspirations, creating a unique blend. Raiwind is the story of Pakistan itself, a place of dynamic transformation, reflecting the nation's journey. It holds onto its soul while embracing change. The transformation was gradual, like a photograph developing. Each passing year revealed a new image of the town. Raiwind continues to evolve, watching the world from its corner of Punjab, a witness to the passage of time. It is a place with a story, stretching towards what is to come, ever ready for the future. Raiwind is situated on the fertile Indus plain with rich soil, a gift from the rivers. These rivers have nurtured the land for centuries. A network of canals brings water to the fields, helping the land stay green and productive. This irrigation system is vital for agriculture. Many kinds of plants and trees thrive in Raiwind's environment. Tall shisham trees offer shade, and tough kikar trees also grow here. These trees are well adapted to the local climate. Farmers cultivate wheat that sways like a golden sea, and sugarcane grows tall and sweet. These crops are essential for the local economy. Brightly colored flowers bloom in gardens and along roadsides. These plants are not just beautiful. They are an important part of the local ecosystem. They provide food and shelter for many creatures. The area around Raiwind is also home to various animals. Many different birds fill the air with their songs, and small mammals like rabbits or mongooses dart across the fields. Insects are plentiful, from busy bees to colorful butterflies. These insects play a crucial role in pollination. Raiwind experiences a climate of distinct seasons. Summers are very hot, from May to August, with intense sun. Monsoon rains in July and August bring relief from the heat and water for the land. Winters, from November to February, are much cooler, with pleasant and sunny days. The mild winter weather is perfect for outdoor activities. Each season paints the landscape in different colors, shaping life and nature. The geography here is gentle, open and welcoming to life. The land supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. This wildlife adds to the richness of Raiwind's natural world. Near Raiwind, a special place awaits nature lovers, the Lahore Safari Park. This park is home to many animals, including lions, tigers, zebras and deer. They roam in large open enclosures, offering a small journey into the wild. The park plays a role in conservation, helping protect endangered species. Another green jewel near Raiwind is the Changamanga forest, one of the oldest and largest man-made forests in the world. Planted by the British over 100 years ago, it was created for railway sleepers. Changamanga is a vital green lung for the region, home to many types of trees and bird species. People come here for picnics and boating on the small lake. It is a peaceful escape from the noise and rush of city life. The forest helps to keep the air clean and is a testament to the enduring power of trees and green spaces. The park offers a chance to see magnificent creatures and learn about the importance of nature. It is a place for adventure and discovery right on the doorstep of the city. Raiwind has silently witnessed many chapters of history, standing as a testament to the passage of time. Old tales speak of ancient travelers passing through this land, their footsteps echoing through the ages. It lay on routes important during the Mughal Empire, serving as a crucial link in the empire's vast network. The arrival of the railway line during the British era brought significant change, marking a new chapter in Raiwind's story. This iron road connected Raiwind to bigger cities, bringing more people, trade and new ideas, transforming the town's dynamics. Today, Raiwind is famous for being the global headquarters of the Tablighi Jamaat, a movement that has left an indelible mark on the town. This peaceful Islamic movement focuses on spiritual renewal and outreach, touching lives across the globe. Millions of followers from almost every country come to Raiwind to learn, pray, and strengthen their faith, creating a vibrant tapestry of cultures. The presence of the Tablighi Jamaat deeply influences Raiwind, shaping the town's culture and atmosphere, making it a unique place. The annual congregation, known as the Ijtima, is one of the largest peaceful gatherings in the world, drawing people from all walks of life. It transforms Raiwind into a vast tent city, bustling with devotion and a sense of community. Raiwind is not just a town, but a significant spiritual destination for many, a place where faith and history intertwine. The town's historical significance and spiritual importance give it a unique international identity, attracting visitors from around the world. Raiwind's legacy is a blend of history, faith, and cultural richness, a tapestry woven through centuries. The town continues to grow, holding on to its heritage while embracing change, a testament to its enduring spirit. It is a place where the past and present coexist, shaping its future, a beacon of continuity and transformation. Life in Raiwind moves to its own distinct rhythm. The day often begins early, with the call to prayer echoing softly. The streets gradually fill with activity, blending the sounds of vendors, rickshaws, and conversations. Hospitality is a deeply ingrained tradition in Punjabi culture. The food in Raiwind is a delightful experience for the senses. You can savor the rich and hearty flavors of authentic Punjabi cuisine. Street food stalls offer a variety of tempting snacks, from savory samosas to sweet jalebis. The local markets are filled with fresh fruits, vegetables, and spices. The markets, or bazaars, are the vibrant heart of Raiwind, lively and crowded. Shops and stalls line the narrow streets, selling almost everything one might need. Raiwind is also embracing modern changes with new housing societies, schools, colleges, and healthcare facilities. This urban development brings new jobs and opportunities, yet the town strives to maintain its traditional character and charm. Raiwind is carefully navigating this path, blending cherished traditions with progress. The town's daily rhythms, flavors, and aspirations create a unique and vibrant community. The best time to visit Raiwind is during the cooler months from October to March. The weather is pleasant and mild, making outdoor activities enjoyable and refreshing. Reaching Raiwind is straightforward, with good road connections from Lahore, making travel easy. Lahore has an international airport, and from there you can hire a taxi or take a local bus to Raiwind. Within Raiwind, local transport options include auto rickshaws and small passenger vans, which are convenient. For accommodation, options within Raiwind might be limited to simpler guest houses or inns. Many visitors find lodging through the markaz, which is a popular choice. For a wider range of hotel choices, the nearby city of Lahore offers numerous options. Staying in Lahore and making day trips to Raiwind is practical and popular among tourists. When visiting Raiwind, it is important to be mindful of local customs and dress modestly. People in Raiwind are generally hospitable and helpful to visitors, making you feel welcome. Embrace the unique atmosphere of the town and enjoy your journey of discovery and exploration. Raiwind stands as a distinctive town in the heart of Pakistan. It is a place where the green expanse of agricultural fields meets the growing network of urban streets. Raiwind's story is a vivid illustration of transformation over time. This unique town offers diverse experiences for different kinds of people. Nature lovers will find solace in the nearby Safari Park and Changamanga Forest. Those intrigued by culture and history will find glimpses into Raiwind's past and its significant spiritual role. For those seeking spiritual peace, it is a globally recognized center of faith. Raiwind has many fascinating faces to reveal to those who explore its depths. Looking ahead, Raiwind will continue to grow with new buildings, businesses, and infrastructure projects. The primary challenge will be to manage this growth sustainably. Raiwind must strive to protect its green spaces and natural assets. It must also work to preserve its unique character and cultural heritage. Raiwind represents an ongoing journey telling a compelling story of Pakistan. It remains a hidden gem waiting to be discovered and appreciated. A visit to Raiwind often leaves a lasting impression, a quiet memory that stays with you.